Sinil talaga.
Did you ever stalk me online after we broke up?
Yes? Pili ko ako na ito. Nakikinig ako.
How are you telling the truth? So how was the stalking like?
Hindi siya stalk. Parang check ko lang kung kamusta ka na. Like, kasi during pandemic yun.
Yeah. So you look at my post?
Napapansin ko lang kasi lumalabas ka sa feed ko eh. Makapacheck ako na, yung ka na lang. Pero hindi hanggang dulo na.
Oo, yeah. Okay.
Ba't di ka naniniwala? Story, hindi mo ba nakikita?
Hindi nga. Sabi ko, ay wala na siyang pake. Joke lang. I'm kidding, guys. Wala. Mas gusto mo ba akong katrabaho ngayon o dati?
Dapat isa lang eh, no?
Yeah.
Ngayon, pili ko makuryente ako.
I think he's telling the truth.
Oo, makuryente ako. Seryoso, mas gusto ko ngayon. Pero gusto ko rin yung dati, nung mga bandang pauna, no? It's just that na sa relationship kasi tayo.
Right, yeah. So take your shot.
Hindi ako nagsisinungaling.
It's the
Shot pa rin
rule.
ba ako?
Yeah. Just how?
Ano ba yan? Huwag mo pinipilit. Game na game pa rin siya, man.
You're gonna take the whole. You can take the half. You took the whole. Looks so tight. I need space to get it off if it shakes.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Namiss mo ba ako nung nagsama tayo ulit sa set?
Yes. I'm telling the truth.
Nakaligtas ka sa shot,
Is there any gift from me you've kept with you all this time?
Yung Motorino na vinyl, turntable.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's see if it's still really with him.
Hindi ko makulit ako.
So you're lying? Oh, you're telling the truth!
Yes, kinip ko pa rin.
Thank you.
Nakatago. Kasi bumili nga ako ng bago, diba?
Ay, mas maganda. So tinago mo na lagi.
Oo, pero sa akin pa rin.
Pinabulok mo na lang.
Sa akin pa rin.
Okay.
Nagustuhan ba talaga ako ng pamilya mo?
Oo naman.
Grabe yung mga tanong.
I'm scared. I bet, yeah, they did. See? Yeah, they did.
See?
Thank you.
Okay.
My family, they are very accepting and very warm to everybody that we let in. I think they genuinely cared for Josh as well.
Yan, naramdaman ko rin naman yun.
Yeah, especially mom.
Grabe yun. Last tita.
Yeah.
During our shoot, kausap sila, diba?
Naka-FaceTime gawin mo.
Naka-FaceTime pa namin si Tita Marsh.
Nakamusta lang.
Okay, your question, Julia. Have you ever wished I fought for our relationship more?
We want people to fight for us, so yeah.
Mismo.
I'm scared.
So, explain.
I mean, it's true. You know, we want people that we fight for to fight for us back. So, take a hit. Joke lang. Gets mo na yun. Do you think unhappy for you is closure for us?
Ang tapas na yung closure natin. Kasi parang after nung breakup namin, nakikita pa kami. Pinupunta ako sa bahay. Tapos sa time na nagmumotor na ako. Kasi dati, nung kami pa, ayaw niya akong payagan magmotor. So, iwalay kami. Muna akong motor. So, pinupunta ako sa bahay. Diba?
Agad.
Tapos may video pa kami na, no? Tapos nag-brainstorm lang kami, nagawa tayong ganitong pelikula, yan. Parang okay pa kami ng time na.
Let's see if you're telling the truth. You're telling the truth. Wow. Ang galing.